lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets SK. How are you, lovelies? For today's video, I'm going to cash up my 52 weeks challenge using a color dice and a color board. But before I start, let me thank all of you who joining me on all of my videos, watching and following our financial journey. And thank you so much for being here, for stopping by, and for your support. May God bless you all. And before that, please like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So let's start now. So my tips for November is a generalized tips. It's not a personal tips. So generalized tips is the tips that they put on the bill, and the personal tips, the money that the tips that they put in our hands. So this is for general tips. So how much I have here is, let's count. Let's do like this. 50 plus, this is 100, which I don't want it upside down. Hold on. Upside down is a no for me. Okay, it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 320 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. So the total tips is 420, and let's play with this. Let's save it. So if you're new here and it's your first time to watch my color game 52 weeks challenge, basically I just rolled 2 dice. Before I used 3 dice, but it's too high, so I use 2 dice now, and whatever the color lands on. For example, green, I save 30, and if I roll yellow, I save, so it's 50. This is a spicy game, so you cannot, if you want to play with me, or if you want to play like this one, you can just use a smaller amount. Instead of saving 20, you can save $2 or $5, 4, 1, or $3. Okay, if I lands on pink dice, it means that I need to roll my selected dice, if 6-sided dice or 12-sided or 20-sided. But for me, I select 6-sided dice. So let's start. And as you can see here, I have IOU of 50. So let's deduct 50 here on my envelope 38. So if you ask me how much I will save here, I really don't know. I haven't checked it out, and I haven't marked it, the total amount in each envelope. I didn't mark any because I want it to be a surprise for me too. Okay, let's cross this out and put it at the back. So for envelope, by the way, this saving challenge, this envelope is, I ordered it from Live Budgets. She's living in the Philippines. She's also have a YouTube channel with the name of LAY Budgets. Okay, so for envelope 39, let's roll it out. So pink and red. So give me $10 here first. And then let's roll the dice twice. 6. I need to save 6 and 2. So 8. So I need to change some coins to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's grab 10 here. And put 8 in there. So this one I need to mark at the back because of the coins, and I will not put it inside the envelope. So instead that I write it down here, $18, and the coins will be on this side. Okay. So next envelope, envelope 40. So yellow 20, and then this dark blue is 40, so it's $60. Two, four, $60 on envelope 40. Yay! Next envelope, envelope 41. I'll try to finish this, but it depends on the amount of money I will save. So 50, wow! And pink. So let's roll twice. $1, so $6. So 50 plus $6. So I need to change again. $6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I change here and put it back. $6. So total is 56. So just put here 56 because of the coins. Okay. And put here. Next one, envelope 42. So 10, green is 30. So total of $40. So if I completed this challenge, the money will go to our travel fund in 2025 or on the next following year. So for now, just save it in here. So 40, right? Next, envelope 43. 2 green, 60. 2, 4, 6. 44. So 20. And roll the dice. Oh, pink is so hardworking today. So green. Oh, no, no, not this one. Sorry. 5 plus, so 6 again. So 26. 2, 4, 6, 26. Next envelope. I hope I finished it. I completed it today. But let's see. Oh, pink again, you see? Green 30. And roll the dice. 4. So 8. So let's pretend it's 10 because I don't want to use more coins. So 10. So make it 40 then. So 46. How much left? 40 to 70. Let's see. How much? You see? Another pink. 40. And roll the dice. So 6. So 10. 50. Yay. Last one, 20. I think I have IOU here. Let's see. 47. 20 plus 20, so 40. And you know what? I don't want IOU, so I will grab the $20 here to save it in here. Okay. So 40, yeah, so week 47 now. Let's see how many is envelope left. So it's gonna be 52, right? So 5 envelope left. One, two, three, four, five. Yay, only 5 left, and I'll finish it next time. I don't have mark in here, I only mark the one with the coins. As you can see, I'll show you. So I just want to make a point that I didn't mark any. You see? All right then, thank you so much for being here. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, put a like, and share my videos, and put your and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. I hope I inspired you in some way. And thank you, Sarah. And thank you very much. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Keep saving. Make it a habit. Bye.